Welcome to Bow Habitat Station's Fish in Schools Raised to Release program training video. This video is going to show you how to add water into your aquarium, as well as how to start the flow of water in your aquarium. Make sure you have completed the dry setup of your aquarium before following along with the steps in this video. Before starting your aquarium system, your aquarium needs to be filled with water. Fill buckets with cold tap water. Don't forget to measure the amount of water you are adding to your aquarium. This will be important to help you know how much of each water conditioner you will need to add later on. Gently pour the water into your aquarium so that you're not disturbing the sloped gravel. Continue adding water to your aquarium until the impeller housing on your AquaClear power head is just below the surface of the water. Add AquaPlus water conditioners to the water. Follow the instructions on the bottle to remove chlorine. AquaPlus and Cycle will be added to your aquarium regularly when weekly water changes start. At that time, you will use the instructions for regular maintenance activities respective to each of the water conditioners. Now that your aquarium is filled with water, you're ready to start your system. Plug the chiller into the power bar and set the chilling temperature to 10 degrees Celsius or 50 degrees Fahrenheit by using the arrows on the front of the chiller. The flow of water is started through the fluval filter. Push down on the white or black water flow lever on your AquaStop. Start pumping the instant prime handle until you hear water being drawn into the filter from your aquarium. As your filter fills with water, the instant prime handle will become harder to pump. Now that your filter is filled with water, you can plug in your filter and your filter should start immediately. If your filter does not start, you can use these alternate tips and tricks. Stop the flow of water into your fluval filter by lifting up on the black or white lever on your AquaStop until it is in the closed position. Remove the black hosing from riser tube B. Pouring water into this hose until it is full. Put your thumb over the end of the hose and submerge it into the aquarium water. Have your fins partner open the black or white lever on the AquaStop to start the flow of water and pump the instant prime handle. Once you feel suction on your thumb, replace the black tube into riser tube B. Now you can plug in the filter. You know water is flowing through your entire aquarium system when water flows out of the modified input tube from your chiller into your aquarium. Your water level may have dropped as the filter and chiller have now filled with water from your tank. You may need to add more water into your aquarium to ensure the water level is just above the nozzle on your AquaClear power head. Plug your AquaClear power head into the power bar. Make sure that it is pumping aerated water along the surface of your aquarium. We have now completed the flow of water in our aquarium.